So I'm at another service call right now, actually looking at the material I'm gonna have to purchase to fix this. Got a lot of damages. Pretty much need to cut this side right here out and fix this piece. I thought it was tubing running around here, but it's not. They got a lip and kind of bent the metal over. So I gotta actually add a piece of tubing to make it stronger. You see how far it's off here. So I'm gonna have to figure out a way to pull that in and get it where he can use this bed, because he's not using this one, but he can use it once he fixed that side. So my goal today is to go put in some prices for material, and I got several welds I got to fix on here. Several welds that's broken, but he's not trying to get it brand new. He's just trying to get it where he can use it, because he so we can do some hauling. This one right here, I got one to fix that. Probably cut that all the way out and put another piece in there. Once you get it torqued like that, even when you warm it up and try to move it, it's better to just replace that piece, because it's going to add a lot of more torque to it. So when you get that bad, it's just better to just put a whole new piece of channel in there. So I think the lift is actually still good, but the rest of it gonna have to be replaced. And this is a heavy duty one right here. I think this thing got 8-10 lugs on it, or more than that. Yeah, I got 8 lugs on it, so it's heavy duty. So we're gonna try to fix this. It's a dump trailer too. So we're gonna try to fix this, but first we gotta locate some material to actually knock it out. So that's why I was coming to you now to check it out before we go to the next stage. But we know what we're looking at, so I'm out here getting my hog on now, family. I'll be checking back in a little later. Hold on.